Hi, I am Pedro Alvarez, Professor of Environmental Engineering at Rice University.
And I'm Dave Adamson of GSI Environmental.
And I'm Chuck Newell, also with GSI Environmental. With funding from the Department of Defense ESTCP program, we've developed this MOOC, this massive open online course, as a new way for you to learn and understand the field of monitored natural attenuation.
And this is how it works. You sign up with Coursera for a 9-week course consisting of 6 or 7 individual 10-minute lectures per week with homework and quizzes at the end to test your knowledge. Or if you're just interested in individual M&A topics, things like statistics or isotope analysis, you can select those individually and look at those on your computer or your mobile device. We cover M&A topics that were developed at the top environmental research labs across the country and the world, including Rice University. These topics include abiotic degradation, biodegradation, natural source zone depletion, and molecular biological tools. We examine materials starting in the 1990s, as well as material in the most recent journal articles and research of today, covering materials such as matrix diffusion, long-term monitoring and statistics, high-resolution sampling, transition assessments, and much more.
We are very excited about this course, which integrates a broad and diverse body of knowledge taken from both an academic and practical perspective. This course will present to you fundamental theoretical knowledge as well as empirical knowledge, and it will feature both established content as well as new concepts that are hot off the press coming out of the labs and research field sites as well.
We're confident you'll learn a lot about M&A in this course. You'll learn about how the processes work, you'll learn about when to apply it, when not to apply it, and just how to use it at your field sites and solve problems.